Life in a big city comes at a cost. It was so hard to connect with people. I was just another face in the crowd. My business needed more space to accommodate our production. It wasn't working. My wife and I decided that something had to change. And that's when we found it. Clay County, Florida. A passionate town where character counts and everyone has each other's backs. We packed everything up and started our life in this new place. A place where our passions were welcomed and the community loved us. The ultimate live where you vacation place. Our friends are our family. The land is our playground. We had our daughter, Lucy. She's funny and smart. She loves to explore and to make friends. We knew that this small town lifestyle was right for our little girl. Lucy just turned 6. Now we only have 12 more years, 12 more summers, 12 more opportunities to create memories that we'll cherish forever before she's all grown up. We're not going to miss a thing. We're going to play. We're going to learn. We're going to eat, and we're going to rest. This place will mold her and equip her with everything she needs in life to succeed, to be a woman who can lead by example and one who loves her neighbor well. The heartbeat of Clay County is alive in her now. There's everything to look forward to. Clay County is growing and we get to be a part of it. The joy is to be able to contribute to the future of this area and to know that my daughter and your kids are going to have this thriving community to live in. The opportunities are endless. Living in this county is a constant reminder that we are able to explore our passions here in this community that we call home.